Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your caller ID on the iPhone 12. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you want to be able to call people without them knowing your number, then disabling caller ID is the best thing to do. To start, open up the Settings app and scroll down to Phone. Then tap on it to open the settings. In the phone settings, tap where it says Show My Caller ID. On the next page, you need to wait a minute and a toggle will appear. You need to tap on the toggle to switch it off. When off, it will turn from green to grey. When you call people, your number will no longer be visible. It will instead say unknown number or private number. Note that some mobile networks do not support disabling caller ID, and some networks require you to enable it manually. If you are on one of those networks, then your toggle will be dimmed out and not allow you to switch it off, in which case you will have to contact your network provider to see if you can get this feature enabled. Sometimes it is possible to have it enabled and sometimes not, depending on the network. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone 12 tips and tricks.